Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Yes, it's a Hemi. It's got a 572 700 horsepower dual quad Hemi under the hood, and there's a pistol grip 4-speed sitting on the floor right there. What they did is they started with a clean original body. It's not an RT, it's just a nice 318 Challenger, but it has original fenders, doors, quarters, floors, California, Texas car, and then a guy up in Michigan had it built like what you see now. So it's a 70 Challenger with a monster Hemi under the hood. The thing's in really great shape. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale. If you like watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 700 horsepower Hemi. Yeah, the car's in really nice shape. It's good to have a nice, clean, original body like this one has. That's really hard to find on any car of this vintage. Starting underneath, the front end components, they don't look brand new, but they've been rebuilt. The ball joints, all the components, they look clean. It does have disc brakes in the front. You look up at the motor, it's all clean and fresh. It has a big overcapacity oil pan. It's got a heavy-duty scatter shield around the flywheel. It's got a 4-speed transmission. It is the Hemi heavy-duty 4-speed, and it's been completely rebuilt. The linkage looks new. I'm not sure of what the rear-end ratio or posi is, but read my notes on my ad on our website. I'll find out what the rear end is. Floors are rock solid. Original floors, clean metal. They do have welded in frame connectors front to back. They put them right into the floor, welded it in. Because with that big horsepower, you don't want it twisting and flexing. It's got Caltrac tubular control arms in back. Fuel system looks new, and the fuel pump's electric fuel pump. Fuel line, that looks fresh. I think that sums it up underneath. Good, clean, solid underside. The car does launch really well. Those traction bars help a lot. Now to the body. It's painted B5 blue. It was media blasted to a bare car. And the gaps, you'll notice, I mean, this hood is square. It sits flush. The gaps are right on the money. It has the pen star here. No bubbles. I already felt all down here is no bubbles. It's all smooth. All around here is nice and smooth. And it is straight. And this body line right here is perfectly straight. It lines up spot on. It's just like one continuous line. So the body is really clean. Again, original panels. The vinyl top's in excellent shape. Doesn't have any bumps. You get rust underneath there. It bumps up. That's all in excellent shape. So it was painted B5 blue. The metal flake is laid out. I guess they put a little bit of pearl in there. Clear coat is polished real nice and glossy. They did paint on the rear bumblebee stripe. The rear bumper is beautiful. The tail light, I don't know if it's new. It must be new or fairly new. It looks beautiful. The trim around all this, the stainless trim, looks to be good original. It's not brand new, but it's really nice. Original glass is really nice. There's going to be a couple light scratches, but the windshield is new. It has chrome sport mirrors on each side. They look new. Door handles look original. A little bit patina, but they're in nice shape. It's got the, they call it the power bulge hood, the scooped RT hood, and it has the flat black stripe on it. 15-inch chrome Magnum wheels. They look like they're new or fairly new. It has BF Goodrich tires in front. In back, it's a little bit wider wheel, and it has Mickey Thompson Street Radial, drag radials, whatever you call them. And it's got the heavy-duty lugs there, the studs. Inside the car is real nice. That door is nice too. It doesn't drop at all. But the seats have been reupholstered. The front seats have new cushions, so it fits real nice. The seats are firm. Carpet's excellent. Like I said, it's got the pistol grip shifter. The headliner's real nice. The visors are nice. The dash pad's original. All these old Challenger dash pads cracked. This one's in excellent shape. It is the original dash pad. Off the corner of the front speaker, there's a little crack that's been repaired. You'd have to look for it to notice it. The rear package shelf is new. The insulation behind the seat is new. Inside the trunk, this is original metal. The factory seams in the jamb here are clean. You look up inside there, there's no splices. I think it's the original trunk floor. He did spray like a sound deadener in there. It does have a rubber mat. Looks like it's maybe the original mat. It's got some stains on it. Painted blue nicely, new weather strip. So rock solid trunk compartment. The plastic, the door panels and these side panels are in excellent shape. The backs of the seats are real nice. Looks like they're covered in a cloth or like a velour. Steering wheel's real good. This has the rally gauges. The clock, I noticed, has quartz movement in it. There's on the edge of the wood grain sticker is a little tattered on the very edge. And this motor, they say it's a $40,000 motor, completely built. It's a stroked motor, has aluminum Indy heads, new aluminum intake with two performance-built Carter carbs on top. Has premium fuel fittings, braided fuel lines, a fuel regulator. It has a crazy set of TTI, big fat, something's wrong with our turntable. Anyway, coated TTI headers. And when you look up from under the car, they're all squirrely and fat. And I forgot to mention the exhaust. It is a TTI exhaust. It's fat pipe, has a crossover, has Dynamax mufflers, and it has the square tips coming out through the valance. Back in the engine compartment, MSD ignition system. It's a Pro Billet distributor. It's got 8.5 millimeter wires, a Blaster 2 coil, the 6AL box, aluminum radiator with an aluminum overflow bottle. The whole engine bay is clean, original metal. I don't see signs of damage or rust. The VIN number is stamped here. It's stamped on the cowl, and it all matches the VIN on the car. So real nice, clean motor compartment. It looks like the steering box is new. Let's fire it up. That's the part you've been waiting for. You're like, shut up, Jay. I just want to hear it run. Yeah, the seats feel nice. We'll just sit and idle. I noticed the tachometer is not working. It might be because of the ignition system they have in there. Very snappy, responsive. That's the electric fuel pump you hear running. It's got to feed a lot of fuel to them two big 4 barrels. Man, the panels fit so nice. This door is a little hard to open. It sticks. We'll have to look at that. Apologize about the turntable making noise. It just started doing that. But you got a really good car here. Solid, rock solid car with a monster Hemi motor and a 4-speed. I mean, this is a beast right here, but it's a beast that you can get out and drive. The fellow I got it from said he would take it out. It wouldn't run hot. you give it the gas, you better hold on, but you want to just cruise through town, it'll do that too. Visit volocars.com. You can get all the specs there. You can find plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have any specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on our bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.